Hey guys, I'm just gonna do a quick Rubik's Cube solve. I know most of you guys have already seen it, but I'm just gonna do it for fun to post it. So, yeah, here we go. It's all mixed up. There's nothing like no cheating, and my record right now is like 55 seconds or something like that. So it's not that fast, but I'm just gonna try and beat it. So here we go. Two layers done. Here we go. And done. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I think that was only like 45 seconds or something like that. So I don't know. I'll go back and watch it. Sorry I couldn't do like a tutorial for you guys. It's just I don't know how to really explain how I do all of it, you know. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna show you guys a cool trick. Looks cool. Just if you guys want to know, this is like super fast because it's a Diane speed cube. You can get it on Amazon.com. And yeah, that's pretty much it. See you guys.